Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to slow down or speed up Instagram Reel video. So if you want to slow down or speed up your Instagram Reel video, then here's the video for you. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to increase or decrease the Instagram Reel video speed, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application on your phone. This could be on Android and it could be on iPhone. Click on the plus icon. Then come through this navigation and then select Reel. Locate and click on the camera icon here. Then once you click on the camera icon, before you record your video, click on this fast line button or speed up and slow down button, which is in between the flash and the timer. Then you should see this menu comes up. Once you see this menu comes up, you can increase or decrease the speed of your Instagram video reel. So let's say you want to be 3x, that is 3 times faster. Then go ahead and record your Instagram video. Once you're done, hit the next button. Then you see that. So that's going to increase the speed of the Instagram video. Now, if you want to reduce the speed of the Instagram video, click on this fast line button or the speed button and then reduce it. Click on the shutter button again. You can either start all over or continue from where you stopped. Then stop it, click on next. Then you should see how slow it's going to be. You see that? You can see this is slower than the initial one. So hit the back button. You can now stop it again and start all over again. So to start, just come here and select the speed. So literally I will advise to use X1, which is the normal speed. If you want to 4x the speed, choose 4x. That's going to make the speed 4 times faster. If you want to reduce the speed, select 1/2. That's going to make the speed slower. That's half of the initial speed. And then once you're done, go ahead and click on the shutter button. Record your Instagram video normally. Then stop it. Click on next. And then you see it here. Is that? So you can just go ahead and click on next and then you're good to go. So that's exactly how to slow down or speed up Instagram Reel video. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.